YouTube, what's going on with you? This your boy Shawn The Barber coming at you again. Hey man, we in here today. Today I'm doing a unboxing on something I've been waiting for forever. Hey, if you haven't yet, like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into it. This is your boy Shawn The Barber. All right, here we are. Got my box, as you see. I don't even know what it is inside yet. Hopefully it's what I ordered. But we better jump in here and check it out. Got my receipt. Nice little cushion. Okay. The wait is over. I can honestly say, when these first came out, I was dying to get them, but there was no way that I could afford it at that time. And so years have gone by. My birthday done came, done gone, done came, done gone, and then came again. And guess what? Went ahead and copped it. These are the Low Pros. I like the color that these are. Look at this, look at that. It's the clipper and the trimmer. Now I've done a unboxing on the Low Pros before, so we won't get too much into it. As you've seen, I did the one of these here. So basically it's the same thing, it's just, I love this color here. This color here is amazing. This, whew, boy, I'll tell you, for some time I've been wanting these. I'm not even gonna lie to you. And I think you can only purchase these off of the Babyliss website, because I done tried to look on different websites and try to get it. They only sell the gray ones, they don't sell these ones. So look, let's get into it. So we're gonna open these clippers first. It's definitely different from the other box, because I'm used to the aluminum box that it comes in. This ain't really low aluminum. But, so let's see. The battery, it has a liquid battery in one brush bolder, and it has a quick release. It also has this black titanium metal fade blade on it. And just like with the gray ones, it still has that lever on the side that you can hear it click. I love the lever mode. It has that little black release button here. And honestly, I say it feels great in the hand. I'm not even gonna lie to you, it feels amazing in the hand. It doesn't have too much tension when you clicking the levers. Let's just see. Now, when you get this, what comes in the box, it's actually just this. I think I just purchased just the clipper itself. It doesn't come with a battery or anything. You have your instructions. It has your cover. That's about it. So that's on me. I thought when I purchased this clipper, it came with the guards, it came with the battery, but this one looks like it just comes with the housing here, just the clipper itself, no battery that comes with it. So it's not gonna be much to talk about when it comes to the unboxing. So here we go with these trimmers. All right, so same with the clipper and the trimmers. So we're just unboxing the clipper itself because we don't have everything that I would assume that comes with it. Right. So on the box it says battery and charger sold separately. So there ain't gonna be no battery and there ain't gonna be no charger. It's just gonna be clipper and a trimmer. But that's all right. I use the battery from other ones. But check this one out. That's nice too. I like the grips on here. It's nice. It feels amazing in your hand. It feels like this thing ain't going nowhere. You don't even have to put a grip on here. That's how nice it feels. I can just line somebody up. Now in this box, it comes with the zero gap tool, instructions. But other than that, man, that's all I got for you, man. I'm definitely gonna have to order me some batteries because I'm gonna need some more. I only got 2 batteries. So other than that, this is your unboxing of the Low Pros. Look like that desert brown. Look at that desert brown. Oh man. Look, this is your boy Shawn The Barber. Peace, I'm out.